17 and under class, the undisputed third place winner. She's only been here twice and climbed onto the podium he, Dusty. Congratulations, undisputed third place. Congratulations, what you got? All right. Undisputed, second place, 17 and under class. He's regular on the podium. You know him as Brady Rocky. At home, his name is P, the youngest member of the SWAT pad. Good boy, P. And came back at the second half of the season, turning it on. You know him as Mr. Doubletime. Everybody loves that bozo.